Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Noota. Noota is a tool by which you can transcribe, record and analyze your online meeting. But it's not only the meeting basically, you can create any type of transcribe basically by using this tool. Let's say you have a YouTube video. So you have to just insert the link of your YouTube video here and Noota will send you or will give you the complete transcription of your YouTube video. Similarly, you can transcribe any type of video, you can transcribe any type of live video, you can transcribe your talking, your speaking by using this tool. Similarly, when you are doing online meeting by using any tool like Zoom or like Google Meet or by using any other online meetings tool, it will create live transcribe of your speaking or of your talking. I hope you get idea guys about this Noota tool, and they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and they're saying that it's an alternative of Otter.ai and Loom. And with Noota, you can screen record virtual meetings held on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, or in any browser. They're saying, and if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Noota, they are offering up to license tier 4, and on license tier 1 it's 69 USD. You can get 5 hours transcription and subtitling per month and one license. And see, if you get license tier 3, then you will get unlimited hours, but if you need more license, then you have to get this license tier 4. And you can get at least 10% discount guys on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Noota lifetime deal. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Noota and let's see what have inside there and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard of Noota that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up. And they have a Chrome extension. You have to make sure that you have installed this Chrome extension on your browser. I have already installed it guys. Here, see, this is the extension, and this is the dashboard basically. And let's say if I just click on this extension, I have to allow the microphone. Okay, I'm allowing. Now if I click on this extension, at first I have to select the language. I'm selecting here English, and then they have option for multimedia type, and let's say audio only. You can also record the screen. Okay, I'm selecting screen recorder. Let's see what happened. And then here have microphone. You have to select your microphone basically from here. So these are the things. Let's say I am selecting here the by default selected item, and then they have option for activate the camera. So you can activate the camera also, but in my case I cannot activate the camera because I am using my camera already here to record this video. So I'll not activate the camera. And then if I click here start recording, let's say what happened. See, the recording has been started, and see, you can see the live transcription. See the things that I am talking here, you can see the live transcription. Now let's say you are doing here meeting, you have opened your Zoom or Google Meet here, and you're talking with your client or you're talking with your partner to your online meeting or to your Zoom meeting or to your Google Meet meeting. And if you open it here, you will get the live transcription of your speaking here. See, and it's almost accurate. See, everything is accurate. I hope you get idea guys. You can stop it from here. You can have the screenshot option. You can get the screenshot from here. They have option for highlight text. You can highlight any text from here, and they have option for cancel recording. You can cancel the recording from here. I hope you get idea guys. It will be in the side of your screen here in this way. Now let's say you want to do a meeting. Let's say you want to do a meeting on Google Meet. So just go to your Google Meet, meet.google.com. So if I go to this Google Meet, let me go to my Google Meet. See, this is Google Meet. Now let's say I'll create one meeting. So start an instant meeting. I'm clicking here, and the meeting has been started. And see here my live speaking are being transcribed. See, I hope you can see here. You can see the time, you can see the record. So these are the things, guys. These are the whole things. I hope you can get idea. Now let's say here, if your team member or if your client join, then you can do your meeting and then you will see all your transcription here. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. Now if I click here stop, let me click here stop. So I'm clicking here stop. Now it will be uploaded to your dashboard. See, it's uploading. So it's saying that please wait while we finalize your transcript. Okay, let me go to the dashboard. It's finalizing the transcript, so we have to wait some time maybe, guys. And then they have option for open transcript. So if I click here, let me see what happened. So now they have option for choose a mood. I can get the transcription from here and I can also get the subtitle video. Let's say I want to get the transcription, and then next, and then next. Okay, see, this is the transcription. I hope you can see. Now you can here edit these things also. You can bold it, italic it, underline here, you can strike through here. So these are the things. You can change it to normal, very small. So I'm keeping it normal, guys, and you can organize it to different font. So these are the things, guys, and you can see the recording also from here. But in my case, the things has not been recorded. Why? Because I'm recording my audio to record this video. That's why I'm using my recorder to record this video. That's why it cannot record my speaking or my audio basically. But in your case it will be record, and then see here, whenever it will play, you can see the place where it's playing. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have option to share. You can share it, you can give it access to public, and then you can just copy the link. And then if I open it in a new window, let me open it in a new window. See, it's a public access window, and anyone can open it later. See, your things will be shown like that. So these are the things, guys. See here, you can see, or your client can see all the transcription, and they can hear the recording also from here. So I hope you get idea, guys, about this Noota tool. They can export it from here. They can export it as PDF, as Word, as HTML, as .txt file also. They have .srt file, and this .srt file can be helpful in case of YouTube subtitle, guys. So these are the things. I hope you can get idea about this tool. And then they have option to see, if I select it, and then they have option to highlight maybe. Okay, this is, let's say, important, and it's important. Okay, people can highlight it. You can highlight these things from here, and then they have option for, let's say, if I select it, maybe it's erase option. Let's say I'll select it, and then if I erase it, so I'm not sure what it is, but they have comment option. So you can comment here. Let's say I'll add one comment. See, they have comment option. Let's say this is comment one, and in this way you can comment, and then you can export it also from your dashboard. And then they have option for download audio, save, and they have option for reset, modification, delete, shortcut, setting, and subtitle mode. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Noota tool, and it's very helpful in case of transcription. Now if I go to the dashboard here, see, they have another option for YouTube transcription. Let's say if I click here on this YouTube option, and then if I upload here any URL, let's say I'll upload here one of my YouTube video URL. Let's say this is one of my YouTube video URL, and then here have option for source language. I'm selecting here English, and then let's say here in the field section I'll select, what can I select? Let's say I'll select entertainment, report section, course, and the speaker section, one speaker. Then okay, and then if I click here confirm, let it be do. See, it's transcribing it. See here have the um, option. You can see the progress from here. So it has been done. Now if I click here OK, let me see what happened. See here is the transcription basically, and it's in progress. It's showing in progress still. But here see the first one that I have been transcribed right now, that is the live transcription is here. So all your transcription will be stored here in this section. If I enter here, then see this is the transcription. I hope you can get idea, and then you can add more information here. See there have a lot of information. You can add here number, date, time, location, email, phone number, url type, and then and there have participant and custom. So you can add any type of information that you want basically from here. I hope you get idea, guys. Let's say here I will add number of participant, and then let's say 3, and then here let's say date. Highlight the date, and date is, let's say, today's date, 16 July 2022. So these are the things, guys. It will be saved automatically here. You can add a lot of information here. Now let me check if it's done or not. It's still in progress, so I'm pausing the video now, guys, and I'll come back when it will be completed. So the YouTube video transcription has been done, guys. See, it's completed. Now if I enter here, let me see what happened. So I'm selecting here transcription, and then see, this is the video. You can hear the hello guys, audio now. Welcome to Passivern. In this video I am going to review Sniply. Sniply is a very old tool, guys, and they have been launched their lifetime deal on AppSumo yesterday. And if you see the review of Sniply, see it has gotten 4 reviews. And if you see, so these are the things, guys, and you can see the video here, and you can see all the transcription here, and then you can share it to other people. You can download it as in different format. You can export it as PDF, doc, html, txt, .srt format, .csv format. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Noota tool. And if you think you need a transcription tool, then you can get this Noota lifetime deal. And similarly, there have another option. See, they have Dropbox and they have Google Drive. Dropbox and Google Drive option will be available soon. That means if any of your video is hosted on Dropbox or Google Drive, then you can also get the transcription of this video. And let's say any of the video that is not hosted on YouTube, that is hosted in any other platform or in any other software or in any other web page, you can transcribe the video also in this case. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this tool. If you think you need a transcription tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Noota lifetime deal from AppSumo. They're running their lifetime deal, and it's only 69 USD license tier 1, but you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Noota lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, is if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.